Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can schedule WhatsApp messages on iPhone. So to get started, first of all you'll have to go to the shortcut application. You can go ahead and search in Wizard for the shortcut app, and on the below side you can see the option called automation. Go ahead and tap on it. And in here you can see the new automations. Go ahead and tap on it. Now in here you can choose the time of the day. You can set to any. It's all on you. On the month side you can see the option called new blank automation. Go ahead and tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on add action, and in the search box go ahead and search for text, and in the message box you can type down any text of your choice, and at the below side you can see the option search for application or actions. Click on it, and now go ahead and search for WhatsApp, and you can select here send message via your WhatsApp, and in the optional section you can select anyone from your contact list. Then after go ahead and tap on done. Once it's done, you are good to go. So this is how easily you can schedule WhatsApp messages on iPhone. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.